Alright guys, I want to do a couple of videos here on the quadratic equation, or sometimes you call it the quadratic formula. Either way, negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all divided by 2a. You have seen this before. Okay, let's try this first one. This first one, not too bad, but currently does not equal 0, so we need to move that 2x squared over by subtracting it. And obviously we'll subtract it to this term, another x squared term. 4x squared minus 2x squared is 2x squared minus 3x minus 90 equals 0. All right, currently looking at it, we want to look for, first off, any GCFs. Nope. And then find your A, B, and C values. So here our A is going to be 2, our B is negative 3, and our C is negative 90. Oops, C equals negative 90. All right, so some big numbers, but don't let that scare you away. We can still do it. Let's try it here with our formula. So negative b. Well, opposite of rb is positive 3 plus or minus the square root. B squared, again, negative 3 squared is positive 9. Minus 4. A is 2, and our C is negative 90. That's going to be really big. Divided by 2a. 2a, I would just encourage you to do this in your head, right? 2 times 2 is 4. The parts that you should probably do in your head are the b squared and the 2a. All right, I just think it makes one less step when you're simplifying it later. All right, I don't think that's going to be right. So let's go ahead and do this. And then I like to right away just type in this discriminant, if you remember that word, into the calculator, just like it looks. 9 minus 4 times 2. I don't like to make silly mistakes in my head, so just type that in exactly like it looks, and you get 729. So 3 plus or minus the square root of 729 divided by 4. And of course, this all equals x. You can think of it that way. What is the square root of 729? Does that work out nicely? Probably not. 729. Hey, it does. It is 27. So there you go. We get 3 plus or minus 27 is the square root of 729. Did not know that. Divided by 4. All right, so we have two problems here. We can think of this as 3 plus 27, which would be 30 divided by 4, or 15 halves. 15 halves, a bad 5. Or 3 minus 27, which is negative 24, divided by 4, which is negative 6. So two answers to this problem are 15 halves and negative 6. All right, let's try it again with another problem. This one is 6x squared plus 7x minus 3 equals 0. No GCF. It's already in the right format, A, B, and C. This one's nice and easy for us. Our A is 6, our B is 7, and our C is negative 3. All right, let's throw those into our formula. So negative b, or the opposite of our b, is going to be negative 7 plus or minus the square root. B squared is 49. Again, do that in your head. B squared minus 4, and then our A was 6, and our C is negative 3. All divided by, again in your head, 2 times A, 2 times 6 is 12. Okay, let's do that discriminant part, the part underneath the square root in the calculator. 49 minus 4 times 6 times negative 3 is 121. Oh, these are nice and easy. In the next video I'll try to get ones that don't turn out as nicely. Okay, obviously this is going to turn out pretty nice here. And let's see, what do we get? 7 plus the square root of 121. Well, first off, square root of 121 is 11. So negative 7 plus or minus 11 over 12. And we get those two choices. I should have drawn another arrow here. We'll do both arrows this time. 7 plus 11 is 4 divided by 12, which is 1/3. And 7 minus 11 is negative 18 over 12, which is negative 3 halves. All right, so two answers on this one are 1/3 and negative 3 halves.